So I'm making now video. So see, this home button works. You see? Okay. Now I go to settings, Touch ID, add fingerprint. So now I will try to add fingerprint. Whatever I do doesn't matter, it does not see it. I dry my hands are okay, but it does not see it. You see? I cover well. Here you go, I even do this with other finger. Does not work at all. But the home button itself works. Here you go, home button. It is strange that now home button stopped working. Here, sometimes works, sometimes not. Here you go. Here you go, now works. When I want to go out from here, home button doesn't work. In here doesn't work, in this section. So I cancel this, like this. But here it works, the home button itself. See? But I cannot make ID.